This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to add experimental features and flags on Firefox. So what we can do here, so experimental extensions, I'm right here on Firefox, I'm actually on a random web page here just to show you what we're going to do. So we're literally going to add this into the URL bar, so you can see all I'm writing is about config. So I've got the colon right here, so about colon config, and then we are just going to hit enter. So I'll put that string of text in the video description, so you can just copy and paste that into your Firefox. Once we click enter, we get this proceed with caution. This is absolutely fine. This is just a warning from Firefox. As you can see, it says changing advanced configuration preferences can impact Firefox performance or security. And we've got this checkbox for warn me when I attempt to access these preferences. Let's leave that one on. You can turn it off if you want. Accept the risk and continue. So we've got all of them right here. You can change any of these. Just be really careful with this though, because like it says, you know, it can change your security and some of the functionality and kind of the efficiency, I guess, of Firefox right here. You can show the modified ones right here, and you can actually edit these ones right here with the pencil icon. So I'm not saying that you should do this, but if you need to do this for whatever reason, it is allowed within Firefox. They obviously give you this option. It's all completely safe. Well, not necessarily completely safe, as I've given you the warning, and Firefox has, but it is legal. You can obviously do this and change these options if you so desire. So hopefully you found this video on how to access the extensions and config settings and flags on Firefox. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like. Really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.